I'm with this absolutely stunning 1963 Thunderbird Roadster. Now, this has been an extensive concourse restoration. Now, a concourse restoration is the highest level. It's better than new. And if you're going to restore a Thunderbird, this is the reference you're going to need. And it's won so many awards. You can see right up front there. I love the Thunderbird emblem with the turquoise inserts. Just stunning. Now, this is one of only 37 M codes built. And it's got the 390 with 3 Holley 2-barrel carburetors, 3-speed cruise-o-matic transmission. But I want you to look inside. Just really sweet sculpted dash and center console there. And check that radio. That's the first year for the push-button transistor radio. Now, this has the Roadster package, giving you the tonneau cover, chrome trim, wheel skirts, and wider wheels. Just truly a beautiful ride. Now, Rick, here's my question. Do you drive a concourse restoration or leave her to be admired?
I don't believe in trailer queens. You got to drive them all. Otherwise, why own them?
It's been chosen as the reliable pick of the day, which gets you fully enclosed transport services to get the vehicle to your home in the lower 48 states. Coordinate your home, your transport home. Please visit Auction Office. Reliable carriers are our partners. They've been with us a long time. It will deliver this bad boy right to your doorstep. But again, we use the word blue chip for a lot of cars. This is truly a blue chip collectible. It's a 1963 Thunderbird Sports Roadster, one of only 37 M code cars. That M code is very important. That means it has 3 2-barrel carburetors under the hood. Incredible. In the day, this was as good as it got. It was absolutely a fantastically ordered car. It appears exactly the way it was back in '63. Don bought only the best. It's show winning. It has credentials that I don't have the time to go into. Buy it with confidence. One of the best M-code sport roadsters in the world and one of the rarest of all Thunderbirds. Selling at no reserve from one of the finest gentlemen and finest collector car minds we will ever know. Don't miss this beautiful T-Bird.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a
So what makes it a sports roadster is this hard tonneau cover, which creates a headrest for the front seats, and underneath this is the back seat, because this is a 2+2 bird. It also covers the top stack, so you have the appearance of a 2-seat roadster, but take this off and you have the practicality of a 4-seat car.
Yeah, speaking of 2-seat baby birds, we often see these Kelsey Hayes chrome wire wheels on 55, 6, and 7. Well, they were never available. The first time that a Thunderbird got them was 1962 and 63 on the sports roadsters only. And again, the sports roadsters specifically were the ones that didn't have rear fender skirts. Let's have a peek with the chassis cam underneath this one. And again, 393 2-barrel carbs. That M-code engine, there's the front sump, classic, automatic transmission, dual exhaust, of course. Unit construction on this Thunderbird, not a body on frame, big old Ford 9-inch, correct inspection marks and identification numbers and lines on the drive shaft, very nicely done.
Note the taillights on this. They are intended to evoke jet engine exhausts. Looks pretty sharp here. And this stainless steel trim line that runs all the way to the front, it is also the grab handle to open and close the doors, kind of hiding in plain sight there. That is a swing-away steering wheel to make getting in and out easy. Full-length console, add-on air conditioning on this one. Wow.
Well, we have a new #1 seller. Don't know where it's going to end up. Currently bid at $167,000. That's the top bid. They backed it up just a little bit to $165,000, and that makes that 1963 Thunderbird, that M-code sports roadster, the #1 sale of the day here at Barrett-Jackson in Las Vegas on Super Saturday.